there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see add row in data table, so that how you can add any new row in your table. So let's get started with today's video. So that's the view I have created. I have table with data table, and you can see add row button at the top. So we need to add functionality on that if I click on that, then new row should be added. So now let me show you code. So here you can see contact list component, and at the top you can see I have added button, and after that I am having my table. So you can see in script jQuery and data table I have imported, and then data table is initialized and columns are defined. So here data is displayed using Ajax. So let me show you back in code. So here you can see index function. It's having contact model returning all data of contact table, and it's sent as response. So now in our component we need to add functionality to add row button. So let's write at the create click, and that will be calling function add new row. So now let's go and create this function add new row, and inside that let's write the logic. So row dot add function is provided by data table. So here get the table, so that is a data table object. So table dot row dot add, and inside that let's pass object, because I'm just going to add one row. You can have multiple, then pass as array. So here let's say name, email, I have phone, and created at actions, and at last pass row as false, because we don't want data table to again like read row. It's just that a new row will be added. Now let's check in browser, refresh, and let's click on add row. So you can see at the bottom now 56 rows. Before it was 55 rows. So let me search with row 1. So here you can see now, if I click again, new row is getting added. Depends on your requirement how you want to add new row. You can have input fields in this as well. That's a small video I've just created to show you how you can add new row in data table. This will not be added in backend side. This is just in front end side. So if you want to have this functionality of add row to backend as well, then server side processing will be on, and that will be a different logic at all. So we will be covering that as well, that form in data table. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.